Hey everybody, my name is Bram. Thank you all so much for checking out this video. I hope everything is well on your end. Everything is going well here. Today, I am going to be doing the part 2 to the original video that I posted, which was redoing a snap-on tool cart. As you can tell from the title, it's right here, but I will not show it to you because I want you to watch the video. And then let me know what you think at the end. I'm gonna go find a corded drill and hopefully that'll speed up the process. Also, it should probably be a little more powerful too. So I'm gonna go find one of those. May have just thought of something that would be much easier. I might just go pick up some paint remover. I think that might be quicker. I might run to Menards, gel this up, and just be able to scrape all the paint off. I'll still have to sand it, I think, because I want to get all of this rust. I want to get all of that off. I'm excited to see how this stuff works. It's rated for latex and oil-based. Stuff that is supposed to be safe indoors. Probably best to be outdoors, but it's winter here in Wisconsin, and I don't think this is suited for outside temperatures, and also I think it's just more comfortable in here. So we're doing this. I'm gonna let that sit for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna come back and see what happened. Not even 10 minutes. Very cool. Look at that. Dang. Okay, cool. If you couldn't tell, this is my first time using paint remover. I applied a thin layer with the toothbrush. This, I think, is a better way. It's thicker and it's easier to manage, in my opinion. Nice pile of gunk that I got off the first tray. And I still have work on it, but I'm going to bed, so good night. working on this mess. My plan is to get this done today, and then hopefully if the weather is permitting, Lord willing, tomorrow I'll paint it. 100%, dude. I've been working in this building with this stuff the last like 6 hours. And I definitely have a headache at this point. I think it's probably almost time to call it. What I've been doing before is I've been applying and then letting it soak and then scraping it off. But I'm realizing that you can actually apply it, scrape it with a toothbrush, and leave it on, and it still continues to work. And so like, it's saving so much of it, and it's way easier because I just leave it on and go back and scrape in like 20 minutes. Little update, I've been working on these panels the past like two days, pretty full time, and I'm just to the point where all of the paint is basically off. It was a lot of work going over the whole thing and basically with 400 grit sandpaper, trying to get all the brush marks out from the wire wheel. I'm trying to get all of the rust out of the pitting. Work on this for a while, get this all down to where I want it. Then we're on to painting, which I'm very excited about. Good morning, everybody. Today is honestly, well, today if we're looking just for days, I don't even know what day it is. I think today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. More importantly, today is the day that I really do believe that I'm gonna finish this thing. Very exciting. Yesterday I worked probably a total of 7 or 8 hours on the sanding. Oh, hello, Steve, come on. Good boy. So yes, I did end up doing the roll bars per se. I did the, Steve, you're always showing your best end on camera, aren't you? So I got the side bars all completed, which is very exciting. That was a much easier process than I thought it was gonna be. I took 400 grit, I went over it. It was very surface rust. It came off really easily. On a little bit of it, I hit it with some 600. I'll show you that real quick. There are better spots and there are worse spots throughout the thing. Still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the wheels. Here are the panels. This is all pitting. Well, that was filled with rust. I used that grinder wheel and that thing just worked wonders. Like, you had to lay into it a little bit. As you can see, on this one, it really did get rid of all of the rust. Like I said, I plan on getting this done today, so excited to fill it up with tools. Woo! What do you think about that, Steve? Steve wants to go outside. I feel like I look pretty cool like this. Turkey. All right, hopefully you could hear me. You know what? That's not even working. We'll just do this. Trying to protect myself. think I already got, yeah, paint all over. I just sprayed on the very last of the paint. I'm calling it the last coat. I think it looks pretty good. I just brought it in from the painting booth. There's these hooks right in the ceiling. Just so happens to be right above my bed. So that's awesome. It's a funny place to hang these, I suppose, but you gotta work with what you got. And I happen to have 2 hooks above my bed. And so I'm just gonna hang them here. I am very happy with how these turned out. In no way do I think this is done professionally. I think I did the best job that I could, and I'm happy with it. I just really enjoy doing projects, you know, like I really enjoy doing these restorations, and I really enjoy bringing something from the past and renewing it. And then I can also pass it down to future generations, my kids, my grandkids. You never know. I mean, in 50 years, if my grandkids are redoing this, you know, they'll probably be doing the whole paint stripping deal that I did, and they'll probably get just as many headaches as I did. But I think, honestly, in the long run, that's part of the enjoyment of it. You have a greater appreciation for your possessions. It's not something that you just walked into the store, bought, came out, and now you have it. You know, this is something that means something because you put time and sweat into these things, and I think it gives you more of an appreciation for what you have. I don't think it's perfect. There's definitely flaws within it, but flaws that I can look past, and I can be proud of this, knowing that I did my best, and now I get to enjoy the splendors of my work. I'm gonna let these dry for a little while, and then I will do the assembly, and then we will wrap this video up once and for all.